Hi, my name is Lori Hughes. I'm the Arenda Character Education Program Coordinator, and we had Jim Snack today, and he made the children have such a great time with the program, taught them respect, and it was a wonderful way to get our message through to the children that we all should respect each other. Thank you so much, Jim Snack. It was awesome.
The Magic of Respect is an exciting new show for grades kindergarten through 6th. It's ideal for character education and anti-bullying programs.
Hello everyone, my name is Andrew Hills. I'm the principal at Tanglewood Elementary School in the South Glens Falls School District in upstate New York. I just want to say that we just had Jim Snack perform for our kindergarten through 2nd grade classes. He was absolutely wonderful, dynamic, entertaining. We couldn't be any more pleased with.
There's a magic word called empathy. You know what empathy is? Well, let's say that word, everybody. Empathy. Empathy. That means you try to imagine how the other person might feel. And that's the first way of showing respect to people, is try to empathize with them. Try to put yourself in their shoes. So we have to practice that. So Mark, can I borrow a shoe? There you go, good. See, if I borrow my shoe, then I can try to put myself in your shoes, right? This is a very nice shoe. You know, you were very willing to lend me that shoe. The last year, the boy didn't want to give me a shoe. He was nervous about it. But I promised him I would take very good care of it, because when I borrow something from somebody, I always take care of their things. I respect their property. This is a very nice shoe. You've had it for a long time, haven't you? You're very attached to this shoe, aren't you? It's ooh, yeah, you have that. I've had it a while, haven't you, Martin? So, Martin, now I have to put myself in your shoe. There's only one problem, Martin. My foot is a lot bigger than your foot, isn't it? Yeah, what size is this shoe anyway? What's it say in there? Do you know what size that is? That looks like a children's 4 or 5 or something. You know? But that's okay, I can fix that, Martin. Because right here I have a magic shoe stretcher. Oh no, this is a wonderful device. It will make Martin's shoe big enough so I can put myself in his shoes. All right, Martin? And don't worry, it'll be okay, because after I'm done, I'll make it go back, okay? Here's how it works. We put it right inside here, Martin. Now, Martin, come over here. You see these? You see those dials here? Here. Let's see. What size did we say yours was? Do you remember? Kids 4. So put that on 4, okay? And let's see. Mine is a size 10. So that's a start. To finish, so put that on 10 over here. Okay, that's good. Now, Mark, you see the button here? That's going to start it. Boy, that 4 to 10. You know, wait. I hope you don't blow a fuse here. That's a lot of power it's going to draw. Okay, well, you press that button and get it started, okay? Yeah, press that button, good. Good, okay, oh, good, it's working, good, okay, good. Yeah, okay, good. So this will just take just a few minutes, Mark, and what will happen is that it'll stretch his shoe, and I'll be able to put that on my foot. Hit the button again. No, wait. Must have been too much power. Let's see what we got here, Mark. What? Oh. Martin, that wasn't supposed to happen. It must have been too much power, Martin. You look a little upset, Martin. Are you upset? I can burn the other one, so it looks like this one. I didn't mean to burn up your shoe. Sometimes you borrow things from people and things happen, don't they? Accidents happen. But that's okay. I'll make it right. Look, maybe I got another shoe I can give you. Wait, I got something. Oh, you're in luck. Here's a nice shoe. How about this one? Would this one? You're right, that's actually a summer shoe. It's winter out. We got it. Okay, maybe I can find a better shoe here. What do we got here? I'm sure I got a shoe here for you, Martin. Oh, this one. Look at this one, Martin. warm boot. I got a nice warm boot. You don't want that one either, huh? I don't know what to tell you. I don't have any more shoes in here, Martin. Wait a minute, I know what I can do here. I've got a bag here. Look at the bag here. Let's take this shoe, Martin, and I'll put it in this bag here. So you can take this shoe home, all right? And see, it's right in there. So you just take that shoe home, all right? And you give that to your mom, and maybe she can take it to the store and have a good check on your shoe. I'm sorry, what's that? What's that? Okay. Give me this shoe. I'll tell you what, Mark. It's going to be I'm a magician. You know why? Let's do a little bit of magic here. Let me blow this up. Everybody, I'm going to count to 3. You said the magic word. The magic word is empathy. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. That's you okay? Are we good? Give me 5, Martin. Give Martin a nice It's very important to have empathy, to put yourself in somebody else's shoes, not really put yourself in their shoes, but to imagine how they might feel under certain circumstances. And if you borrow something from somebody, respect their property by taking good care of it. If you break it, it's your responsibility to replace it, isn't it? Yes, that's showing respect for people and their things.
Jim Snack is an award-winning educator, motivational speaker, and magician. He has over 30 years' experience presenting school programs that combine magic with motivational messaging. The show is easy to book. Simply call or email today to reserve your date. And teacher guidelines are provided to reinforce the lessons from the show.
Ease to work with. I spoke with him on the phone many times in preparation for this. He even included our kids in the show, not just in his act, but I asked him to do extra for us. He included that in because it's all part of our character education program. Just dynamic and wonderful. We couldn't be any more proud to have him here.